Hello guys, today I will show you how you can enable Incognito Mode in the 4 most popular web browsers in your Nokia T21 tablet. So we'll start from the Opera. In the Opera, just click on the taskbar icon and switch to the private. Now just add a tab and that's it. The next one is Firefox. Just click here on this zero mask on the welcoming screen. But if you have any site opened, just click on the taskbar icon, tap on the zero mask and add a tab. The next one is Microsoft Edge. Like before, click on the taskbar icon, three dot icon, and go to the new in private tab. And the last one, the Google Chrome. Sorry, this tablet works extremely slow. In the Google Chrome, click here on this three dot icon, or sometimes it's a arrow icon, and choose new Incognito tab. And now the history, the cache files, the completed forms, the words from your keyboard will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.